Hello viewers, let's connect the printer available on network. The driver is already installed on this PC. So step first, go and click window button and then come to device and printer. Now right click on the printer, make it default, but it's already on default. So click printer properties and select also name of your printer. Again right click on the printer, go to property, click sharing, and after opening you will see a checkbox tick mark inside share this printer. Tick mark, apply, OK. Now the printer is shared. We will now note the name of the computer. So right click on my computer, go to property, and in properties you can see computer name. You can also connect a printer through IP, but this is through name. So computer name has been noted. Go to second computer, window button, and type in search bar \\, and you can see the path already available of the printer along with other parts. So click on your printer's path. Now right click on the printer, click connect, and after this appears, so at the end click OK. Now once again go to Windows button and click device and printer. This is for creating ease in future for printing. Right click on the printer, set as default printer, and choose the name of the printer. Now it's done. It's in front of you. When you press Ctrl P, printer name is selected by default. So click current, OK and OK, and now you will shortly see the print due to available network. Thanks for watching.